Rustic and Country Home Styles. Chapter 1, Log Cabin and Cottage Home Styles.
Log cabin home styles.
Log cabin homes have evolved significantly over the years, offering a variety of styles that cater to different tastes and preferences. The traditional rustic log cabin is characterized by its simplicity and rugged charm, often featuring exposed logs both inside and out, with minimalistic interior decor that emphasizes natural materials and earthy colors. These cabins typically have a cozy, intimate feel, perfect for those seeking a retreat from modern life's hustle and bustle. Modern log cabins, on the other hand, blend the rustic appeal of log construction with contemporary design elements. These homes often incorporate large windows, open floor plans, and sleek finishes, creating a harmonious balance between nature and modern living. The use of energy-efficient materials and smart home technology is common, making these cabins not only stylish, but also sustainable and comfortable year-round. Another popular style is the handcrafted log cabin, where each log is meticulously selected and shaped by hand to fit together perfectly. This method highlights the natural beauty of the wood and results in a unique, one-of-a-kind home with a timeless appeal. Handcrafted log cabins often feature intricate details, such as carved wooden accents and custom-built furniture, enhancing their charm and individuality. For those who prefer a more standardized approach, milled log cabins are an excellent choice. These cabins are constructed using logs that are milled to uniform sizes and shapes, allowing for quicker and more precise construction. Milled log cabins can range from simple cozy retreats to expansive luxury homes, offering a wide variety of options to suit different needs and budgets. Lastly, hybrid log cabins combine traditional log construction with other building materials, such as stone, timber framing, or even conventional stick-built methods. This style allows for greater design flexibility and can result in stunning architectural features and unique floor plans. Hybrid log cabins often incorporate large, open spaces, high ceilings, and expansive windows, creating a bright and airy atmosphere that seamlessly blends the indoors with the outdoors. No matter the style, log cabin homes offer a connection to nature and a sense of tranquility that is hard to find in conventional housing. Whether you prefer the classic charm of a rustic cabin or the sleek elegance of a modern design, there is a log cabin style to suit every taste and lifestyle.
Cottage home styles.
Cottage home styles exude charm and coziness, making them a popular choice for those seeking a quaint and inviting living space. These homes are typically characterized by their small size, pitched roofs, and picturesque facades, often adorned with charming details such as flower boxes, shutters, and gabled dormers. The exterior is usually finished with materials like wood, brick, or stone, contributing to the warm and inviting look that is synonymous with cottage homes. The classic English cottage style is perhaps the most well-known, featuring steeply pitched, thatched or shingled roofs, lated glass windows, and lush cottage gardens filled with flowers and greenery. The interiors often boast exposed wooden beams, stone fireplaces, and cozy nooks, creating a storybook-like atmosphere that is both nostalgic and comforting. A more modern take on cottage style can be found in the coastal cottage, which is inspired by seaside living. These homes often feature light, airy interiors with a color palette inspired by the ocean. Think soft blues, sandy beiges, and crisp whites. Large windows, open floor plans, and breezy outdoor spaces like wraparound porches or patios are common, allowing for easy indoor-outdoor living and maximizing the connection to the surrounding landscape. The French country cottage style, known for its rustic elegance, combines the charm of traditional cottages with sophisticated details. These homes often feature stucco or stone exteriors, clay tile roofs, and wrought iron accents. Inside, you'll find a blend of antique and rustic furnishings, muted color schemes, and natural materials like wood and stone. The overall effect is a harmonious blend of rustic charm and refined elegance. Craftsman-style cottages are another popular variation, characterized by their attention to detail and quality craftsmanship. These homes often feature low-pitched roofs, wide eaves with exposed rafters, and large front porches supported by tapered columns. The interiors are typically warm and inviting, with built-in cabinetry, handcrafted woodwork, and an emphasis on natural materials and earthy colors. No matter the specific style, cottage homes share a common thread of coziness and charm. They provide a welcoming retreat from the outside world, offering a sense of comfort and tranquility. Whether nestled in the countryside, by the sea, or in a suburban neighborhood, cottage homes remain a beloved choice for those seeking a peaceful and picturesque living environment.
Chapter 2, French Country and Dutch Colonial Home Design.
French country home styles.
French country home styles capture the essence of rustic elegance, blending the charm of the countryside with sophisticated details. These homes are characterized by their warm, inviting exteriors, often featuring stone or stucco facades, steeply pitched roofs, and charming shutters. The overall look is one of timeless beauty and understated luxury, evoking the peaceful ambiance of rural France. One of the hallmarks of French country homes is their use of natural materials. Exteriors are commonly finished with stone, brick, or stucco, while interiors often showcase exposed wooden beams, natural stone floors, and wrought iron details. This use of organic materials creates a sense of harmony with the surrounding landscape, making these homes feel both grounded and welcoming. The color palette in French country homes is typically soft and muted, drawing inspiration from the natural world. Earthy tones like warm beige, soft gray, and creamy white are complemented by subtle accents of pastel blue, green, and lavender. This palette contributes to the serene and calming atmosphere that is a hallmark of this style. Interior spaces in French country homes are designed to be both elegant and comfortable. Rooms are often filled with antique or vintage furniture, creating a sense of history and timelessness. Upholstered pieces in natural fabrics like linen and cotton are common, along with distressed wood furniture that adds to the rustic charm. Decorative touches, such as wrought iron light fixtures, ornate mirrors, and floral arrangements, further enhance the elegant yet relaxed feel. Kitchens in French country homes are often the heart of the home, designed to be both functional and inviting. Features like farmhouse sinks, large wooden tables, and open shelving are common, providing both practicality and a place for family and friends to gather. The use of natural materials continues here, with stone countertops, wooden cabinetry, and ceramic tile backsplashes adding to the overall aesthetic. Outdoor spaces are an important aspect of French country home design, often featuring beautiful gardens, patios, and courtyards. These areas are designed to extend the living space and provide a peaceful retreat. Garden paths, stone walls, and wrought iron furniture are typical, creating a seamless blend between the indoors and outdoors. Overall, French country home styles offer a perfect blend of rustic charm and refined elegance. They provide a warm and welcoming environment that feels both luxurious and comfortable, making them a beloved choice for those seeking a timeless and serene living space.
Dutch colonial home styles.
Dutch colonial home styles are known for their distinctive gambrel roofs and symmetrical facades, offering a unique blend of European charm and American practicality. These homes originated in the early American colonies, heavily influenced by the Dutch settlers' architectural traditions. The most recognizable feature is the gambrel roof, which has two slopes on each side, the lower slope being steeper than the upper one. This design not only provides additional attic space, but also gives the home its characteristic silhouette. The exterior of a Dutch colonial home often features clapboard or shingle siding, with brick or stone sometimes used for added texture and durability. The roof is typically covered with shingles, and dormer windows are common, adding both light and ventilation to the upper levels of the house. The front facade is usually symmetrical, with a central door flanked by evenly spaced windows, giving the home a balanced and harmonious appearance. The interiors of Dutch colonial homes are designed to be both functional and inviting. The floor plans are usually open and spacious, with large central hallways and rooms that flow seamlessly into one another. The use of natural materials such as wood and stone is prevalent, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. Hardwood floors, exposed wooden beams, and brick fireplaces are common features, adding to the rustic charm and historic feel. The color palette in Dutch colonial homes tends to be understated and natural, with earth tones and muted shades dominating. Colors like soft beige, warm brown, and creamy white are often used to create a serene and timeless look. Accents of deep blue, green, and red can be found in furnishings and decor, providing subtle pops of color without overpowering the overall aesthetic. One of the key features of Dutch colonial homes is their practicality and adaptability. The gambrel roof design allows for a spacious attic that can be used for storage or converted into additional living space. Many Dutch colonial homes also have a prominent front porch or stoop, offering a welcoming entryway and a place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Gardens and landscaping play an important role in the overall appeal of Dutch colonial homes. Traditional elements like picket fences, brick pathways, and manicured lawns complement the architectural style, enhancing the home's charm and curb appeal. These outdoor spaces are often designed to be both beautiful and functional, providing areas for gardening, entertaining, and relaxation. In summary, Dutch colonial home styles offer a unique combination of historical charm and practical design. Their distinctive roofs, symmetrical facades, and inviting interiors make them a popular choice for those seeking a home that is both stylish and functional. Whether nestled in a suburban neighborhood or a rural setting, Dutch colonial homes provide a timeless and welcoming environment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos so you never miss out. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos.
The voices in this recording were created with the assistance of OpenAI.